today we're gonna build a Paw Patrol puzzle, and we're gonna make it glued with these two. And this is my Paw Patrol puzzle, and I'm gonna finish it. And at the end of this video, we're gonna glue it together. And hit that like button. Let's get started. Let's get started by building Ryder. And Ryder is the best one in the world. And Sky. I like Sky. Sky is a helicopter pup. And Sky is a flying pup that has something that makes us fly. And Chase is a police pup, and he has a car that he can drive in. And Sky, all of the pups have it. All of them, and Sky, and Ryder has a car that can drive, and it helps him drive, and he can do it. And I'm all done with the puzzle. And I'm gonna do this now because I'm all done with the puzzle. Oh, and I'm gonna get started. So I'm gonna push this down, and I'm gonna open this thing, and I'm gonna pour a little bit. I know it smells like chicken, I think. I never did this, and now I did. I'm doing all my work. It smells a little bit funny. There needs to be one more drink. Like that. Oops. Too much, and it's good. Oh, it's good enough. Oops. It smells like chicken, and it smells like chicken. I don't know why. And it's almost done. And this is almost done with this. So guys, this is gonna take me for a while, and when it's gonna be all done, it has to stay for 15 minutes, and I don't remember. And I'm almost done with my puzzle. That's looking good. I like my puzzle. This puzzle is awesome, and I'm done with it, and let's check it out in 15 and 30 minutes. Bye. So guys, it's been 30 minutes and this is all dry. And it's all glossy. And the back is not dried yet. And this is all finished. And it's so shiny. Shinier. Like and subscribe, and we'll do some more puzzles. Hit that like button.